What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark Style back on another video, and today I got another unboxing video for y'all. It's an unboxing another BB gun that I ordered today. It just came. We're gonna be unboxing this. I saw y'all like the first one that I did, so I ordered another one. So yeah, that's why I'm doing another one. This is the part 2. So yeah, y'all, I seen that y'all liked these. I got a lot of views on that, so I seen y'all like them. So I'm gonna do another one for y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. And we gonna unbox this. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos I want to do next. I'm gonna be doing more unboxing videos, but the only thing about it is I'm gonna have to order them, then they be coming in late, so I ain't gonna be consistent with the unboxing videos because the shipping and stuff. So yeah, but stay tuned for more unboxing videos and other videos I got. So let's get to the video. So I got the package right here. I can't show the other side because it got my address and stuff on it. But we gonna open this. This is what I ordered. It came with BBs right here. Look like it's open right here though. It's open. Let's see what it say. Okay, arms, airsoft pistol. Do not shoot at any human or animals. Last spring power. Yeah, let's open it. So this is the one right here. I can see. I'm scared to cock it back. I think it's gonna break. I don't want to cock it back. But yeah, this is the clip coming out. They don't got no. I'm scared to cock it back. I don't want to cock it back. They gave me some BBs with it. Right, huh? A little pack of BBs. Y'all see that? I'm really scared to cock it back. I think it's gonna break. I don't want to cock it back, and I'm gonna have to end the video. But let's load it up. Let's load this up. I don't want the BBs to fall out. How are you supposed to load this? I think it's right here. Oh, there you go. How are you supposed to load? Hold on, let me pull this down. You gotta pull this down right here. I don't have the thing to hold it. We're supposed to pull this down. I'm gonna do it with this hand, man. Put it down like this. I don't know how many bullets it holds. I mean, BBs. But yeah, let's load up the second one. We're just gonna fall back. But let's load up the second one. See, it's blowing up. See it like that. I'm gonna put 3 up in now. There we go. I got 3 BBs in there. Let's put it in here. Y'all see this? I'm scared to cock this back. I do not want it to break. Y'all see this? Here go the button to release the mag. Take the mag out. Yeah. Let's cock it back. I'm scared it's gonna break. Alright, it cocked back. It cocked back. It's loaded. How I'm finna shoot this? Where can I shoot this up? I'm gonna shoot it right here in my blind. Shoot it right here. That was pretty loud. This gun got lit. Hold on. Let's shoot another shot. Let's shoot another shot. Nothing came out of that one. I don't know why. Y'all hear that? Nothing came out of that. Did I just break it? I think I just. It sounded like it broke. But let's shoot it again. Something came out of that. Something came out. Did I use all of them? Oh, the third one. It had 3 in it. I shot the second one, sounded like it didn't come out. I didn't hear it. But I guess it did come out. Oh, I thought the slide was just rough. This gun, it feel like it's powerful a little bit. Let me cock it back a little bit more. Y'all hear that? Like, it's loud. Why is it like that? Hold on, it sounds like it's breaking. Like, this gun is so cheap. This is plastic, I think. Yeah, I think it's plastic. Someone was in there. Someone was in there this whole time. Oh, that's the one that didn't shoot. The second one that didn't shoot. I think it got caught up in there. Well, it just shut out. And it's not going back in. I'm putting it in right. There you go. Yeah, this is a decent gun. Spring powered. This is a spring. Where the package go? Package right there. I don't know. I never saw a BB gun that come in this plastic. Let's look at the back. They don't tell me how many bullets it can hold. I don't know. They came from UK Arms. This is a UK Arms spring powered BB gun. Let's get some more shots in. I actually got some more. I got some BBs over there, so I'm gonna use these ones. Let's load this up again. We're gonna do some more shots. I need the loader. We're gonna put 3 in there again. Alright, we got 3 up in there again. Just gonna load it. Gotta cock it back. Y'all heard the clip? Y'all heard the clip? We're gonna shoot it again. See, it didn't shoot again. It did not shoot. Now it's probably stuck up in there. Hold on. See, it didn't shoot. It still got 3 up in there. Let me see. It still got 3 up in there. Let's try this one more time. Alright. Cock it back. Alright, I heard it click this. I think I'm not cocking it back all the way, but I be hearing it click. But yeah, y'all see the sight? Got a little sight right there, a little iron sight. Can you cock this back? Can I? Wait, let's shoot this again. That time it shot. So yeah, it's not a bad spring power BB gun, but it's cheap though. You can it's like all plastic, but it's not. It sounds like it hit hard. Probably use this in some BB gun. Or I probably, if y'all want me to do a war with these, order some BB guns, have some of my friends or something come over and have a BB gun war. Comment if y'all want to do that, if y'all want to see that. But yeah, it's not a bad gun. It's actually not bad. But yeah, man, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment if y'all want some more BB gun unboxing videos. But yeah, stay tuned for more content.
Hustle all day, I count the money at night. Expecting them to change, so I wasn't surprised. Yeah.